In this video, I'm going to walk you through Unbounce and show you everything that you need to know to start building high converting landing pages. We'll go to it step by step, from creating your first page to exploring each tab inside the platform, and also stick around because in a minute I'll show you how to design your own page even if you've never built one before. Okay, so when you first log in, this is the main dashboard. At the top, it welcomes you, and right here, you can start building your first landing page. And on the left-hand side, you'll find all the main tabs: pages, pop-ups, and sticky bars, integrations, domains, labs, users, and settings. And don't miss this part because it's really important, because this is where you'll manage everything inside Unbounce. Now, before we dive deeper into each tab, let's begin by actually creating a page so that you can see how everything works in action. And later, I'll come back and show you what every tab does and how they all connect together. So in here, we're going to be creating a page designed to generate clicks. Maybe you're an affiliate marketer who wants to send traffic somewhere else, or maybe you just need a simple preset page to redirect visitors. So this is going to be really helpful for that. So right here on your screen, you can go to all pages and then click create a new page. So that's exactly where I am now. So first, let's choose a page type. I'm going to select click through since we're focusing on driving clicks. But just to give you an idea, Unbounce also offers other types: lead generation, sales page, resource download, webinar, online course, event, product, consulting, and even a thank you page. So I'll go ahead and choose click through. Now, as I scroll, you'll see some templates. Not a huge list, but definitely enough to get you started. And one of my favorites is the getting started template. It's clean, flexible, and easy to customize. You can change the colors, branding, images, videos, everything. So I'll click on that one. Name it Unbounce Landing Page Sample and click Start with this template. Now at the top, you'll see your blank landing page. And remember, this isn't like a homepage. It's focused on one goal only. We don't want distractions here. So for example, it says insert your logo here. We can remove that for now. Just click and backspace to delete it. So let's imagine this page is for promoting Unbounce itself. Yes, using Unbounce to promote Unbounce. A bit meta, but perfect for our demo. We'll start with the main heading. This is the most important part of your page, your headline. I'll move it up to the top and change the text to how to get an Unbounce discount. Then I'll make it larger so it stands out. Now, if you're not sure how well your headline will perform, you can split test it later to see which versions converts better. And don't worry, I'll show you how at the end. And below the heading, we'll add a smaller piece of text that I like to call a little extra. It gives your visitors more reasons to stay. So let's type here, here's how you can save 20% on your first 3 months. And next, let's add a video. So videos work great for engagement. And on the left, you'll see the elements panel: section, box, text, image, button, lightbox button, form, embed video, and custom HTML. So grab embed video and drag it right under our text. You'll see a box that says embed a video. Now I'll go to YouTube, choose a video, click share, then embed and copy that code. And back in Unbounce, paste the code, click save, and the video appears. So I'll make it a bit larger to fit nicely. You can also change the background or add colors, but for now I'll keep it simple. So the main goal here is to get the message across, not to over decorate. Below this, you might see extra sections like companies that enjoy our offer or mission statement. You can remove those easily. Click the section and hit backspace. And if you want to keep something like key benefits, you can rename it. So for example, change it to landing pages. Let's add some images next. Click an image area, go to the right hand panel and click change image. You can also upload your own or browse Unsplash public images right from Unbounce. So just search, tap choose, and select scale image to fit so it adjusts perfectly. And at the bottom, let's edit the closing reminder. I'll change it to unlock your free trial and discount today. And underneath add, click the button below. Now let's edit the button. So on the right side under button label, type click here to get started. Then fill in your URL. So for me, I'll just type Unbounce as an example, but normally this would be a referral or affiliate link. So for the target, choose open a new tab so the page stays open while visitors check out the offer. You can also delete any leftover notes on the templates to clean it all up. Let's scroll down to the footer. Let's just say maybe you want to add a logo there. Drag and drop an image element, then click change image. You can also upload one or pick from public images. I'll choose a sample logo, select use full size. I could shrink it a bit and move it into a position. Now, center the terms and conditions and privacy policy text. Highlight the text, go to action, select go to URL and paste your links. And here's also something most people don't know. You can copy elements quickly. So for example, copy the click here to get started button, paste it at the top, and now you have two call to actions, one at the beginning and one at the end. You can also tweak effects like drop shadows or animations from the right panel if you want. Next, check how your page looks on mobile. Click the mobile view icon at the bottom. You also see that some elements might be misaligned, so just drag and resize them until everything fits nicely. Adjust the text sizes, button widths, and spacing so it looks good. And when it looks great, go back to desktop view and click save. Now let's set a goal so Unbounce can track conversions. Go to the goals tab and choose your conversion trigger. So for example, button clicks. So this helps you see how many people interact with your page. And when that's done, click preview to check your page. And make sure everything looks perfect on both desktop and mobile. And once you're happy with it, click publish. And just like that, your landing page is live. And stick around because next I'll show you how to explore the rest of Unbounce, the tabs that help you manage, connect, and optimize everything that you build. And if you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video description. This will help us more videos like this. Now that you've seen how to create a landing page, let's look at the next feature, pop-ups and sticky bars. So pop-ups lets you display timely offers or capture leads, while sticky bars stay at the top or bottom of your site for gentle reminders. You'll see two options, create a pop-up or create a sticky bar. So on the right, there's a sneak peek area to preview them on your website, plus a section where you can get inspired with examples and strategies. So start converting more of your website visitors today with pop-ups and sticky bars. And here's also something most people don't know yet. So sticky bars can actually increase engagement because they stay visible even as people scroll. Now that you understand how pop-ups and sticky bars can improve conversions, let's move on to the next feature, integrations. Next is the integrations tab. So this is where Unbounce connects with other tools and apps that you may already use. So in the native integrations, you have things like Insightly CRM, HubSpot, Aweber, Campaign Monitor, Salesforce, Leverly, Infusionsoft, Marketo, and Google Analytics 4, data integration, which is still in beta. So that's a strong lineup already. But it doesn't stop there. Scrolling down, you'll see Zapier integrations with a free Zapier account. You can also connect Unbounce to even more apps like Streak, Autopilot, Base, Google Sheets, Intercom, and ActiveCampaign. If you tap on see more, you'll find even more choices. And stick around because later in the video, I'll show you how these integrations actually help you save time. And especially if you want leads to go straight into your CRM or email list. So great. Your integrations are covered. Now let's connect your domain and make your landing pages look official. Now let's talk about domains. So this section is all about connecting your website. And when you connect your domain, you can publish landing pages with your own custom URLs. And right here, you have two main buttons. Connect a WordPress domain or connect a standard domain. And below that, you'll notice links like how to connect your domain, manual domain connection, and even purchase a domain. So these are really useful if you're new to domains or just need step-by-step instructions. And if you're not sure how to do it, just click on those links and they'll guide you through the process. So here's also a quick tip that can save you time. If you already own a domain, connecting it right away will make your pages look more professional compared to using a default unbounced link. Now that your domain is ready, let's move on to the lab section and explore some experimental tools. So in here in lab section, this is where Unbounce lets you try experimental features. And right here, you'll see AI A/B test insights, which means Unbounce will use AI to analyze the results of your tests and give you suggestions on what's working and what's to try next. So this can make optimization much faster. You'll also see hyperspace publishing, which is more of a fun feature because it replaces the usual loading screen with a space animation when you're publishing a page. And if you tap activate under either of these, it will turn them on. Now that we've explored labs, let's move on to managing your team and permissions under the users tab. So in the users tabs, this is where you manage who has access to your account. So on mine, you'll see only one user with access right now. That's me. And if you want to invite someone else, you can tap invite in the top right corner. You'll enter their email, choose their role, and decide if they'll be an author, meaning they can edit and create, or just a viewer. And once you fill it in, you tap add user and they'll be added. This is especially helpful if you're working with a team or you want to give access to a client. And stick around because later I'll give you a tip on how to keep your account secure when inviting users. Yes. Now that you know how to manage users, let's take a look at the final section, the settings. So in here in settings, you'll see several important options. Script Manager is where you add tracking scripts or analytics code to all your pages at once. So Embed Code lets you insert custom code like special widgets or third-party tools. IP filters allow you to block traffic from specific IP addresses, which is great if you want to clean up your analytics and not count your own visits. And email notifications let you set alerts when someone submits a form. And Cookie Banner is for compliance, making sure visitors know about your cookies on your site. And CAPTCHA is to protect your forms from spam submissions. And each of this is important in different ways. The most important ones for most beginners are script managers, email notifications, and Cookie Banner because they directly affect your campaigns and legal compliance. Let's go over to the different plans that Unbounce offers. So in the plans section, there are three options. Build costs is $74 per month when billed yearly. So this gives you unlimited landing pages, pop-ups, and built-in sticky bars, built-in AI copywriting, unlimited conversions up to 20,000 visitors, unlimited subdomains, one root domain, and one user. The second plan is Experiment, which costs $112 per month when billed yearly. So this includes everything in build plus unlimited A/B test, dynamic text replacement, confidence intervals, up to 30,000 visitors, 2 root domains, and 3 users. And then there's Optimize, which costs $187 per month when billed yearly. So it includes everything in Experiment plus AI traffic optimization, scheduling for pop-ups, and sticky bars. Industry benchmarking up to 50,000 visitors, 3 root domains, and 5 users. And that wraps up the walkthrough of Unbounce. We covered the dashboard, pop-ups and sticky bars, integrations, domains, labs, users, settings, the editor, and the pricing. You've seen how to create your first page, how to customize it, and how to connect everything together. You've made it this far, you're already ahead of most beginners. Now understand how to set up Unbounce, what each tab does, and how to get started with building. The best way to learn is actually to go in and try it yourself. Experiment with the templates, test different elements, and see how the changes affect your conversions. Unbounce is built to make things simple, but also powerful if you take advantage of all the tools. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If this helped you out, make sure to keep practicing and exploring because that's where the real growth happens. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.